In this tutorial, we shall be learning how to extract text and numbers in columns or rows in Microsoft Excel. We are using this list in this tutorial. The first is to extract text. I click here, I type equal sign, type T, open brackets, click on the cell, close brackets, and click enter. Because there is no text here, it's giving us an empty cell. If I click here and double click, you will see that Excel has extracted only the cells that have text in them. Now to extract numbers, it is just as easy as extracting the text. I put equal sign, I type N, open brackets, I click on the cell that I want to extract the data, close brackets, I click enter. It has extracted the number that is within this column. If I put my cursor here and drag down, it has extracted all the cells that have number in them, and those that have text we are represented with zeros. You have gotten some value from this short tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. Please do share this video with family and friends. Have a great day.